I have some Halloween happy mail from my good friend Michelle. She has sent me several boxes in the past that she calls boxes of smiles, and I absolutely love when she sends me stuff. I've used so much of it in past videos. So she wrote me a little letter. She's getting her craft room together. Congratulations on getting your craft room painted and all set up. I need to do that. I need to get back into my craft room because I have not been in there in probably a year because I've been out in the garage and I can't even get in there now. Like, we've just thrown empty boxes and extra crap over there. Like, I really need to get in there and fix it again. She also said that she's going to be starting a channel. When you do, please let me know. I would love to promote and share your channel with everybody. And congratulations on having people help you with editing. I still don't know how to edit. And I've had my channel for almost 4 years now. So just congratulations on getting things together. And you'll find that YouTube has been so much more than I ever dreamed. I just thought I was going to come on and share where I find deals because that's what I wanted to do. And it's really become a little family, a little community. You guys are so amazing. I share my life with you and you guys are always so supportive and been there for some really hard times with me. And I just super appreciate you guys. I cannot say that enough. So let's jump on in. This was taped to the lid of the box and I was laughing so hard. Once a year, I have a conversation with my brother to please research my craft items. If I ever pass, research how much they are worth before he sells them. I'm like, do not send everything to Goodwill. Do not throw it away. I'm like, you can have so much money if you sell my stuff. So I hope he'll listen. He's a typical boy that he'll be like, just trash it and get the area clean. And I'm like, no. So hopefully things will be together by then. So I just had to share that. That was so funny. So let's jump on in. And oh my gosh. Okay. I'm dying already. I can see through what's in here and I am freaking out already. Hold on. Oh my gosh, you guys. Absolutely 1000% already obsessed. I am so happy this is the first thing that I pulled out. Oh my gosh. I am like, this is genius. It is just a little styrofoam Christmas tree that she wrapped in orange and this beautiful little lace. And then look, just these little stick pins and charms everywhere. So I actually do have a black Christmas tree that I have a couple of my Jack Skellington ornaments on. So this is like right up my alley right there. Oh my gosh, I'm absolutely in love. And then look at her little topper. Oh, I'm in love. I feel like this needs to be out all year long. It's funny, I was just talking to my cousin yesterday and I was telling her how I love Halloween time because that's when I do like my home decor shopping. So you guys see Halloween decorations, I see home decor. And there's this really gorgeous mirror that I want to get from Joann's, but I'm gonna wait for it to go on sale. So it's like a circle and it has like a crescent moon of like bats on one side, but the mirror's like a circle. I so want that. So when that goes on sale or I have a good coupon, I am so gonna go back and buy it. But I'm obsessed. Like, look at this. I've never even seen that cat charm on there. We have Sally. Oh my gosh, here's Jack. This bat, I've never seen that bat before. Oh my gosh, in love. Like, just that alone, I would have died and been so happy. Absolutely obsessed. We have a little box here. We have a bunch of little brads. So we have some fabric brads. Oh, these are like little like door knockers. Oh, that's so cute. Oh my gosh, look at these. See, I need to go back into my Alice in Wonderland junk journal and finish that because that would be perfect for that. Oh, look, there's a little pumpkin. Then we have some like gemmy brads. These beautiful pearls. Gorgeous. Pearls make me think of my mom because that's her birthstone. Oh my gosh. And then look for like the end of a book. And then you can hang your little chunky charm off of. In love. Can totally use all of that. Ooh. This is pretty. I love this. Does everybody remember when Joann's had that gorgeous mesh that everybody had to get? Like monster mesh? This is what that looks like. Obsessed. Just like pretty webbing. definitely got to use that this Halloween season. This tree right here will not be taken apart. I will not be using any of those charms. I might add to it, but definitely saving all of that just the way that it is. Oh, something's stuck here. Oh, I think I lost a note. Hold on. Oh my gosh, so hilarious. So this note did go on here. And she's sending me fluffy balls. I love me some fluffy fuzzy balls. Oh my gosh, that's so funny. Look at this black one. Again, perfect ball for Halloween. And oh, there's some red. Oh, these are soft though. Like, I don't know where these are from, but I've gotten some before and they definitely were not this soft. This was like petting my puppy. Oh, I like those. Love your balls. Oh, look, these are fuzzy balls too. Oh, they're like little flocked balls. I love texture so much. Like, I just love when you can like rub on things. Oh, these are pretty. I actually do not have these in my stash. Like, look at that. Oh, that is really pretty. Oh, I definitely don't have those, but there's something. Oh, there's charms down here. Oh, look, a kitty. He needs to go on my tree. There's a kitty down here. Coffee. Yes. Okay, he's going to go on the tree. I'm going to put him next to the tree. We're going to take him off and put him on the tree there. And we got some little flowers over here. A blue flower. I actually don't have that one, so thank you. Then we have the little like silicone spacers here. And oh, we got some more brads. So here's some of those fabric brads. Little mix of brads. Oh, these are huge. I don't think I've ever seen any that size before. Those are huge. Love that. I love like the little like gunmetal color, and there's so many different sizes in here. There's some like really small ones. Let me see if I can try to get one out. So like here's our smallest size up to our largest. These would be really cool little eyeballs. I think I might use that too. Love those. Love my little balls everywhere. Got a little silver bag. Let's see, what do we have here? Oopsie. Oopsie. Okay, why can't I get these out? Oh my gosh. It's makeup brushes. I have not seen Jack Skellington makeup brushes. Sandy Claus. Oh, these are so cute. These are like eyeshadow brushes. Oh, look at how cool he is. Aw, Jack and Sally. These are soft. The little bristles are very soft. Ooh, I could definitely use that. I could have used those last week when I went on my cruise. One more in here. Oh, look at how cute he is. Oh, I love that. I do like eyeshadow, like little wing liner. Oh, that's perfect. Oh my gosh, those are so cute. I've never seen those before. Absolutely love those. We have a little baggie here. We got a little Easter wreath. Super cute. Could definitely do one of these for Halloween. Just take some Halloween ribbon and some like little pumpkins and bows. That would be really cute. Oh, dino. I love me some dinos. Oh, this is totally going into my Christmas box. Isn't he so cool? And then look, she used some of those like little tubies from like Dollar Tree, and a little pom-pom and the little glitter. I can't. Oh, I think you guys can see that. It like shimmers. Love that. Obsessed. So going into my decorations. Oh, we have like little tags, like chipboard tags. Oh, are these the old ones from Michael's that you can't even get anymore? I don't know why they stopped selling these. These were so cool. You used to be able to get these for like $5 for like a huge pack. Those were awesome. Look, they're nice and thick. Oh, I remember those. Back in the wee old days when a grab bag was only $2. Got another little box here. Oh my gosh, in love. Look at the little batty cat with his little rose. So love that. Pigs glow in the dark. What? What? How do I not know about glow-in-the-dark pigs? Why do I not have any glow-in-the-dark pigs already? Aw, these are so cute. Look at his little butt. Aw, these are adorable. I can't tell if it glows. I tried. Oh, Sunny is so gonna take these from me. Anything pigs goes straight to Sunny Boy's hands. He's running out of room in his room, so I need to come up with like more displays. These are too cute. Can you see? They are little tiny dinos. Oh my gosh, those are absolutely adorable. Love, love those. Ooh, are these like, oh, yeah, they are. They are like gumballs. So it's like a bead, but it's the base of the gumball, and then you put your bead up here to be part of the little gumball machine. That is cute. I definitely do not have those in my stash. Okay, I feel like I have everything, or have seen everything, and it always amazes me how you guys send me stuff that I don't have. What are these, like little snaps? Oh yeah, okay. How do I use this? New way to close journals. Do I just glue this down? So do I glue this end down and then this end down, so then that way this snaps over here? I think so, right? Yeah, I think I would just glue those down. That's really cute. I would not have thought to use these like little leather fixtures to make a little journal bound to close it. This one's pretty. That is definitely like some Halloween right there. Okay, I'm gonna have to give these a go. I think I just glue it. Hopefully I don't have a sew, because I still have not learned how to sew, but I will. I will get to it when I can, I promise. Oh, for my mom. How sweet. You guys are so, so amazing. You guys always think about Sunny and my mom, and today my mom is not having a good day. She's in a lot of pain today. Coming off of our cruise, she walked off, and the like gangway was just too long and too much for her, that she's like really feeling it today. So yeah, she's not having a good day, so I'm just gonna let her sit around and rest. Ooh, this is nice. Ooh, see, I told you I have a problem with like texture and wanting to like touch and squish everything. Ooh, I like this. Like a little stress ball. But look at how pretty. So blessed. I tell her all the time she's so blessed that I'm her daughter. Oh my gosh, this is super cute. Oh, this came from Hobby Lobby. It's Sewology. Oh my gosh, she's going to love this. And she does know how to sew. And she's been wanting to get back into sewing, especially because I keep telling her, like, I need to learn how to sew. I need to sew for my paper crafting. But I want my aunt to teach me. That way she has, like, something to do. So, yes, we are both going to get back into sewing. These are really cute. Look at these, like, little just gold and red boxes. Super cute. Can definitely use that for Christmas time, Valentine's Day. I think there was another color on the other side. Oh, pretty, like, dark blue. That could be used at Christmas time as well. Let's see. What do we got here? We have, oh, for Sunny. So this is for Sunny. So he has, oh my gosh, gold. We can never have enough gold pens or markers in this house, because he doodles and draws and writes stories, and he uses gold in every single little thing. So he will love that. Thank you so much. Oh, I like that case. It's a Crayola case. Thank you so much. Like I said, you guys are so amazing for always thinking about Sunny and my mom. Oh, he's going to love this so much. Today I got to go visit my dad. I told you guys that the hospital did not release him home. He had to go to a rehab center, recovery facility, nursing home facility type place. So I have to go visit him today to take him some more clean clothes and just check on him. I'm hoping he could come home next week. That would be great. Ooh, black drawing paper. That might be for Sunny too, because it has the matching purple. And then he would be able to use these like gel markers on there. So yeah, I'm gonna go check on my dad today. And that's pretty much it. I'll look for Sunny. Metallic markers. Oh, I bet you there's a gold in here. It's sealed, so I'm gonna let him go ahead and open that. So yeah, that's pretty much the game plan for today, is just check in with my dad and make sure he's doing okay. Oh my gosh, there's some rings in here. So cute. I'm going to take my grandma with me because she did not go see my dad while I was gone. My grandma is 94 and has never driven or worked a day in her life. So I'm going to take her with me. We're probably going to go get him like these are the 2 rings that were in that baggie. So we're probably gonna go get him like Subways or something, because they're very strict on what he can and cannot eat there, and you have to like check it in so they can add it to, you know, how many calories they're giving him for the day. So yeah, I'm probably gonna take him some like a little sandwich because he hates the food there. Like, he'd rather not eat, and the bad thing is he doesn't get to pick what they eat. So if they're having fish, like, he eats no seafood. He's a very, very picky eater. So he skipped out on eating instead of, you know, eating what they're serving. At breakfast, they give him like toast and an egg. Well, he doesn't eat eggs. So yeah, it's been difficult. I'm like, you have to eat. These are really cute. They're little clear pockets that you could go ahead and use with your crafting. Put this in like an embellishment book or, you know, a junk journal. So you have like another little tuck spot. I don't have any of these. So thank you so much for that. Oh my gosh, these are too cute. I do not have these tiny size little, they're like storage containers, but they look like a candy. The only ones I have are the ones from Hobby Lobby that are circle and a little bit bigger. Oh great, and I just dropped the lid. So these are really, really cute. Can definitely use those, especially right now with Halloween. Oh my gosh, how stinking cute. Oh my gosh, there's Sunny right there with his little coffee. Oh my gosh, how cute is that? Oh, look, here's some more of those flowers. Absolutely adorable. Oh my gosh. Look at this cool pig with his glasses and shopping. Look at, oh, her sweet little angel face. And there's one more right there. These are too cute. Oh my gosh, like always, you spoiled us so much. Like I said, I appreciate you guys watching all of my videos. You guys are just so amazing and always so supportive and always thinking about me and my family. And I cannot thank you guys enough. So thank you for watching. I hope you guys are having a fabulous day and we'll see you later. Bye, guys.